First day at the new rich kid school. I hope everyone's not mean.
Hey, California!
I can't believe my mom married your dad, and now I'm stuck going to this school where everyone wears Abercrombie, and I only wear Aeropostale. You better not talk to me on account of me being popular. Don't worry, I'll befriend you because I have bad hair and glasses. Who's that?
I'm a rich boy. I'm a rich boy.
That's Charles. He's dating your evil stepsister. It's nice to have a friend here to help me.
Get me to a hospital, quick! I'm a rich boy.
Not doing so well in the ratings.